Hey everyone, I'm David, a product manager here at Coder, and I wanted to tell you guys about a new feature that we're pushing in our upcoming July release. Let's go to the new template page. And now we have the template builder. This is Coder's method for lowering the necessary Terraform knowledge in order to successfully create templates. The template builder is also going through and helping to reduce the copy and paste that comes in with adding in commonly used modules to your template. So let's start with the Docker container based template, and then I'm going to hit continue here. And this is the first change that we have. You can see prerequisites. So the Docker container has workspace image requirements, and then we also have the required infrastructure. And you can see that other base templates will have different required infrastructure and prerequisites at large. I'm going to hit continue here, and now we can see the ability to select modules. So we list off AI agents like Claude Code and Codex, various IDEs, source control, and other utility type modules. We'll be adding to this list in later releases as well. So I'm going to choose the Claude Code module to start with, and then I'm going to hit continue. To note, you could choose multiple other modules as well. So the Claude Code module doesn't actually require any configuration to be made at this step because we do go through and actually collect the OAuth token from developers at the workspace creation. But there are additional settings that administrators could set. Going to hit continue again, and this is the final step. So this is the display name, and these are customizations that administrators can set. So let's call this David's test template. I can choose the organization, so I'm going to use the coder org, and then the template ID, so test template 1. I could also add in a description or an icon, and then I'm going to create it. So what's happening in the background is Coder is actually pulling in all the necessary Terraform from the base template in the module that I chose, so Claude Code here or other modules that you might have had. And then we're spinning together this Terraform so that you have a working template. And here it is, my test template. Thanks for listening. Looking forward to any feedback that you guys have on this.